So, in this session, we will discuss and we will learn about the LabVIEW environment. Now, create a create a folder on your computer. Anywhere where you want to save your program, create a folder on your computer. Like summer training program I had created. Now I'm creating the day 1, day 3, day 3. Inside the day 3, we'll try to save our program. Have you done so? If you have done, so now it is LabVIEW programming window. LabVIEW getting started window. In this LabVIEW getting started window, in this LabVIEW getting started window, you will get this top ribbon where you will get file, operates, tools, help. Here you will get the create projects and this one is my open existing. Now to enter inside the LabVIEW, we need to press Ctrl N. When you will press Ctrl N, so it will open a new window. You will get two windows at the same time, front panel and block diagram. Then now press Ctrl T. By pressing Ctrl T, you can tile both window left and right. When you will right click on the front panel, okay, this gray color is the front panel window and this one is the okay block diagram. The front panel window is for the users and block diagram is for the developers. Using the front panels, you can design a graphical user interface and using the block diagram, you can you can use the block diagram to write your program. You can use your front panel to create a graphical programming interface. Okay, GUI. Now, the front panel and block diagram, we need to handle both at the same time. Let's try to save this program. Just try to save this VI. To save this VI, click on the file, click in the save. Now, come into the, okay, go to your folders, day 1, my open VI. VI stands for virtual instruments and you can easily save this program. When you will save this program, you will get a normal LabVIEW VI. Double click and open it. Now you can see here, if I will close this VI and I can easily open this VI. When you will reopen the VI, always by default you will get front panel. So to open the block diagram, you have to click on the window and you have to click the first show block diagram. Either you can press Ctrl T. Clear? Because yesterday we made some program. We use definitely we learn how can we uh, write the number and display the numbers. So our today's program Our today's first program will be, am I audible to all of you? Great. So now look at here. Now here I am going to open a new VI by clicking N, Control N. Just a second. Close this one. Don't save. Control N, Control T. Now my first program is LED on and off. Right click, come into the Boolean, right click, come into the Boolean. In this Boolean, take a pause button and place here. Boolean is a different data types. Boolean is a data types and it has only two states, 1 and 0, true and false, on off. You can use Boolean to give any command. You can use Boolean to display your result, or to control any program. You can use the Boolean. Now right click, come into the Boolean, take a round LED and place here. Now make a connection like this. Now come into the block diagram, make a connection like this. Run the program, press run continuously, and you can see when you will when you will switch the button, your LED will glow. Please design this program and save it. LED on off. In the LabVIEW, you will get numeric data type. To write and display any numeric number, the numeric data type is responsible. Using numeric data type, you can write and display any numeric number, any numeric value. Boolean. Using the Boolean, you can write the Boolean value. Boolean is considered as a true and false, 1 and 0. Suppose you want to activate any function, so you can give the Boolean value. You want to stop your while loop, so you can use Boolean value. Then we have the string. A string is a concatenated representation of ASCII characters. You can write alphanumeric characters using the string. You can write your name, date of birth, anything, your password, anything, whatever you want, you can write using the string. These are the three primary data type. Now there is one more LEDs. There is one more vertical switches here. You can use this same vertical switch. You can take the square LED and you can connect the program. You can connect it and you can run the program and you can check. The behavior of this button, the mechanical behavior of this switch button. It is switch button. Okay, and it is a vertical toggle button. It is a vertical switch button. So the behavior of this switch button is switch when press. The mechanical action, the mechanical action of this switch button is switch when press. When you will press, when you will press this switch button, it when you will click this switch button, it will change the behavior. Switch when press. When you will press, it will be switch the states, and it will wait till you will not press the switch button. Next time, if you will press the switch button, if you will press the button again, so it will be switch again. Okay, so the frequency is completely human readable here. Human readable. As a human, when you will press it, it will be activate, and when you will release, it will be okay deactivate. Same here. For this one, mechanical action is switch when press. When the human will press the button, it will switch the state, and it will remain the same until user will not press the button. Now there is one stop button. Let's see. If I will take a stop button and I will try to connect the date LED, now you can see if you will press it, so it will work. But if you will press the stop button, so you are not getting any behavior changes on the LED side. Right click here, right click on this stop button and try to change the try to find the mechanical action. Mechanical action is latch when pressed. Latch when pressed. So here, when you will press the stop button, when you will press the stop button will switch the state. And when your system, your computer, your LabVIEW will read that behavior, automatically it will be coming to the previous stage. Are you getting my point? Hello? Yeah. Why? Look at here. Behavioral difference which I said. When you will press the switch, now you can see it will generate definitely. When I will press the button, please look at here. When I will press the stop button, it will generate true, and when system will read the true, it will be automatically go to the false just because of the latch button. And this button is responsible to stop the while loop, for loop, and other events. Save this one. Now open a new VI, come into the and create a new VI, press Ctrl T to show it left and right. Now in this new VI, yes sir, yeah, right click, come into the Boolean, take a stop button, take a Boolean. If you will try to connect the Boolean, okay, if now in this case, if you will run your program and you will press it, so you will not get any behavioral changes, and always it will be come back. It is a that bounce kind of the button. Always you will be get this, okay. bounce option. Now, why? Because the button is associated with the latch when release mechanical option. Latch when release means, okay, now you can see if I will press the if I will press this stop button, so it will change the state, and after that it will again change the state. When I will press, so it will generate true, and when my system will read the particular value is true, it will be automatically go to the false. Here the computer frequency will work. In this condition, pause case button condition, our human frequency was working. In your home appliances, in your home appliances, you use switch when press button. In your home appliances, you use switch when press mechanical action. There is mechanical action, you use switch when release. Switch when release. If you have seen the borewell motor starter, okay, if you have seen that phase borewell motor starter, so on that motor starter, you will get a red color big button which you have to press it inside. When you will press that button, so button will go inside and it will be generate a sound like kitich. And after that when you will release the button, the motor will start working. When you want to stop the motor, you have to again press it completely inside, and when it will be generate a voice kitich, you release. So to stop you need two mechanical action in a single way: press and release. Press and release. Okay, press and release for start, and press and again release for the place and again release. Yeah, where is the chat box? Okay, place and again release for the off. But in your home appliances, in your home, okay, to start TV, fan and other, we use the just switch when press kind of the mechanical action. Switch until release. It is your doorbell kind of behavior. Till you will press the button, your system will work. When you will release, your system will automatically stop. Till I will press, it will glow. When I will remove my cursor, so it will be off. So it is my third kind of the action. The action is switch until release. In our computer, you will only get in our computer keypad, in our computer's keypad, you will only get the latch behavior. When you press any button, okay, latch behavior, and it's count latch after the latch, okay, sorry, latch until release, and latch until latch when release, and latch until release. Yes, latch when release and latch until release. These two behavior, okay, our computer's keyboard show. Now it's clear, sir? Right click, come here, come into the string. Take a string control. Right click, come here, take a string indicator. Input. String is a concatenated representation of ASCII characters. A string is a concatenated representation of ASCII characters. In ASCII characters, you can use whatever you want. You can write and you can display. No matters, it is a Sapat Patra BJP. NITES at Nitesh, PRADHAN, King of WWE with Chota Bheem. You can write any syntax, you can write any words, letters, okay? You can write any alphabetical characters, alphanumeric characters, special characters using the string. You can use string for the nomenclature, for the result display, for the value segregation, for the indexing, okay, and for the database creation. You can easily write any, you can easily write any string value, any characters using the string. Hello world. In this string, if you want, so you can protect your characters. In this string, if you want, so you can protect your characters. Like output, it is a string indicator and it is a string control string indicator. So you have to take string control from the string control and you have to take the string indicator from the string control palette. Same controls and indicator. Then change the name, input and output. Yes, sir. Restore your PC 2 days back. Restore it for the 2 days back old time. Now, right click here, come in, right click on the output. Right click on the output. When you will right click here, so you will get you will get a shortcut menu. In the shortcut menu, this one is the first class. In second class, make type define, description, other create advance. Then in the fourth number class, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. In the fourth number class, you can change it into the password display. So your string will look like this. If you want, so you can display it as a hexadecimal number. Clear? Now, have you done, sir? Please let me know when you will done. Hello, any update? Praveen sir? Now right click, come into the block diagram. You will get string function palette. Right click on the block diagram. You will get string function palette. In this string function palette, you will get large number of functions. So before that, here I am going to reduce my string indicator size. And I am going to change it into the normal display. Okay. Right click here, come into the numeric. Sorry, right click on the block diagram. When you will right click, you will get a function palette. In this function palette, third column, second number is string. Take the string function, take the string length function and place here. Right click, come to the string. First one is string length. So this string length will give you the information how many numbers are available here. Now, after connecting this string length, look at here. You have to right click on this terminal. Right click, then right click, create indicator. It will give you the output of that particular string. It will give you the count how many characters are present on the string. Again, look at here. How can we take the string length function? Right click, come into the string, come to the string length, come here and take the string length, make a connection like this, open the label, right click, visible item, create indicator. Now, right click here, come into the string and you will see two uppercase, two uppercase. Take this function two uppercase. Okay. Now, right click, come to the string lowercase. make a connection like this. Right click here, create indicator. Clear, sir? Right click, come into the string. In this string, you will get a additional function, a reverse string. A reverse string. Create indicator. Now you can see here, it's reverse all the functions, characters. 2020. Hmm. Pardon, what you are asking, sir? You can take the two uppercase and two lowercase. String function palette, sir. Okay, I think have you done, sir? Hello. So now moving forward. Let's take a new VI. Right click on the block diagram. There is a connectivity. Right click on the block diagram. There is a connectivity. In this connectivity, .NET is here. In this .NET, constructor node is available. Block diagram, you have to scroll it. Whenever you scroll, you will get connectivity. On that connectivity, the first column, second number is .NET. On the .NET, first column, first one is the constructor node. Take the constructor node and place it on the block diagram. Definitely, you will like this program, 100%. Okay. Now, when you will place it on the block diagram, it will be open .NET constructor node. .NET constructor node. In this .NET constructor node, here you are getting the assembly. In this assembly, you are getting the accessibility. In this accessibility, you will get 4.0 and 3.0 something. Now, click on the accessibility. Click here. Click on the accessibility. Scroll it. 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 System speech. System speech 0.0.0.0. Sorry, 4.0.0. System speech. Select the system speech. When you will select the system speech, you will get 5 object. Object means what your system speech should do. So my system speech for me, the system speech synthesize is required. So double click on the system speech synthesize and scroll down. System speech synthesizer I require. So because in my computer there is one functions are written that will okay open my node to speech. Now it's my system speech synthesizer. Right click here, again come into the connectivity .NET invoke node. Invoke node is there. Take the invoke node and place. Right click. Sorry. Okay. Now make a connection like this. Right click, open the label. It is error out, error in. New reference out, a reference in. Click the method. Click the method. Speak. Speak string text to speak. Speak string text to speak. Now you will see here one beautiful thing. I'm going to open the I'm going to write something. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
23rd April 2024.
April 23rd, 2024. 23rd, April 2024. LabVIEW programming. Reply please. Reply please. Reply please.
I will share the video. So if you want, so you can watch and you can make this write this program. If you are not able to follow, because I was not getting anybody's response, so I write this program in a very fast way. Again, I am going to explain the same thing. Right click here, come into the connectivity .NET constructor node, place here. You will get accessibility here. In place of accessibility, you have to search system speech. Then system speech synthesizer. After that, system speech synthesizer synthesis. System speech synthesizer. Then take a invoke node. Open the label for both the function. Make a connection like this. I will share this video to all of you, with all of you. You can follow the video and write this program. Click here. Speak, string text to speak. Select this one. Right click, come here, take a string control. Let's run the program. It can read. Okay. So this program is for the text to speech. It's clear. Now come here. Come into the new VI. Let's take two Boolean. Vertical toggle. Take a Boolean vertical toggle A. Take a Boolean vertical toggle B. If you want to learn, so you have to watch the video and you can. Okay. Uh, because I'm not getting any output from your side, that's why I am going fast. First, right click, come into the Boolean round LED. Right click on the block diagram, come into the Boolean, take in, come here, the add function is here, sorry, end function is here. Take end functions, make a connection like this, open the label A and B. Run the program. You can easily perform, okay, your Boolean logic here. Slowly, slowly, one by one, we will try to use all the functions, and after 2 to 3 days we will able to write the logic, proper logic. Maybe tomorrow again we will tomorrow we'll work on the numeric data type and some other data type, and day after tomorrow definitely we will able to write a proper code for sorry we will able to write a proper algorithm, proper algorithm, proper logic. So I'm going to signing off today's session. After this session I will upload this video on my channel and I will share the link. If you want to perform anything, so you can now you can work on the Boolean function palette. You can work on the string function palette. You can try to use other functions. Okay. Tomorrow we'll work on this numeric function palette and this comparison things we'll try to see.